Here we're working with how to calculate consumer surplus, and we're given the information that consumer surplus is equal to 890.4 million. So we're given what the consumer surplus is based upon this graph we see here. However, we'd like to showcase exactly how that value is calculated. So let's first examine this graph we have. It's clearly a demand curve that we have in blue. And we can see that this maximum price up here, the $73.89, that's that maximum price that the consumer would be willing to pay. And it looks like the price that was actually set at this equilibrium is $36. And at that price of $36, it's a quantity of 47 million. So we'd like to know, how do we calculate this consumer surplus, the area of this blue triangle essentially, because we're calling that consumer surplus is the area of the triangle above price and below the demand curve. So that's exactly what we're seeing right here. So let's go ahead and calculate the area of this triangle, which is pretty basic. If you need a reminder, we can recall up here that the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times height. So let's go ahead and do that for this triangle right here for our consumer surplus. So consumer surplus would be equal to the area of that triangle. So we have 1/2, obviously, times our base. So identifying what our base is, it's going to be from 0 over here all the way to 47 million, right? Because it's this base of the triangle. So that's going to just be 47 million. All right. That then gets multiplied by the height. So the height is going to be the distance between the price paid and that maximum price. So 73.89 minus 36, right? That would give us whatever our height is. Let's go ahead and simplify a little bit. So we have 1/2, 47 million, times, that's 37.89. And then all we have to do is multiply this out using our calculators or however you want to do it, and we'll see that we have consumer surplus, which is equal to that 890.4 million that was given to us at the beginning.